higher disease, Mema Udia Kwaba, latest and hot news Kwana, Yeti, Bremo. A year Kennedy Agyapong needs to be kind and say, and this is for one of my leaves answer on the bar. Now, some is sending a weapon, so we are subscribe, let's just say over subscribe. Now I like it, now fee, one share my offer for so now when you be now 100. Afi yako ensemi eye Kennedy Agyapong unse wakanse bebree tie aye Bawumia na mpise sase mu hanten pa na ndc for ko on platform do na so aye nsem bi okan no tse wana pro nsem ni na eku ho no na oni ni se aye 2024 general election no aye between Mahama and Bawumia no na koye nsem deja na yiti aye nsem aye Kennedy Agyapong editor na yiti no nsem
otuma Bawumia you can beat Mahama. Namasimi and Kase, my Kokase, we lost the election in 2022. Oh, yes. Yes,
What exactly did you mean by that? Because who really MPP flag barrier? Obia se Kennedy back campaign on Akufo Addo.
Yes.
And Bawumia MPP government.
Yes.
But the same Ken, Kase. They lost the election in 2022.
Yeah.
And now NDC communicators as a can buy no.
Let them say. Me say. Me catch straight. So I don't know man making it straight and me making it straight. I was referring to Bawumia. Because Bawumia na catch say, if your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. I mean, me makasa.
Okay.
Me win here. I can easily defend it because me. Policies Amdeba, President Akufo Addo, free SHS will be maintained. One district, one factory will be maintained. But others, messism. But the economy itself, me can't Ghana for any party for a bit my stereotype, they don't want to listen. Media Medika catch the woo. Nessa we a delegate, now ubi ebe convince wa. Now, I'm Gazan Chiro, Obanini, now say Maminka. Na emra mimi sika ehye no obi ka jam say me MPP ni die nyimi sika ntonche ena sika no say mimi dia hia am I the only businessman ni sika ahye o dia say
okay
na no me ka say wie pe ena aboso kanfo ka say adenti no wa moyedi ye nyina ye buafu a ye twen so the Bawumia ba say ne be si atoatia because the man went out there. When your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. Has it changed? If $1 to 4 cedis, what's the fundamentals are weak, and $4 to 12 cedis.
Okay, I don't know how.
Oh, I have it because maybe a young couple of Madrid. May Chiro Kwanazi and then Kwanya Bedia. God knows I've done my part.
Okay.
Maybe I'm a country and went in. Because you can beat Mahama. Namasimi and Kase, my Kokase, we lost Utuma Bawumia. You can beat Mahama. Namasimi and Kase, my Kokase, we lost the election in 2022. Oh, yes. Yes, Miss Ru.
What exactly did you mean by that? Because who really MPP flag barrier? Obia se Kennedy back campaign on Akufo Addo and Bawumia MPP government.
Yes.
But the same Ken Kase they lost the election in 2022.
Yeah.
And now NDC communicators as a can buy no.
Let them say. Me say. Me catch straight. So I don't know man making it straight and me making it straight. I was referring to Bawumia. Because Bawumia na catch say, if your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. I mean, me makasa.
Okay.
Me win here. I can easily defend it because me. Policies Amdeba, President Akufo Addo, free SHS will be maintained. One district, one factory will be maintained. But others, messism. But the economy itself, me can't Ghana for any party for a bit my stereotype, they don't want to listen. Media Medika catch the woo. Nessa we a delegate, now ubi ebe convince wa. Now, I'm Gazan Chiro, Obanini, now say Maminka. Na emra mimi sika ehye no obi ka jam say me MPP ni die nyimi sika ntonche ena sika no say mimi dia hia Am I the only businessman the sika ashe? What you say?
Okay.
Now me kase we pe na aboso kan fo ka say I don't know wa mo yedi. Ye nyina e buafu a ye twen. So the Bawumia ba say ne be si atotia. Because the man went out there when your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. Has it changed? If $1 to 4 cedis, also fundamentals are weak, and $4 to 12 cedis.
Okay, I don't know how.
Oh, I have it because maybe a young couple of the Madrid. May Chra Kwanazi and then Kwan Yabedia. God knows I've done my part.
Okay.
Maybe I'm a country
okay.
And went in. Because you can't beat Mahama. Now see me and Kase, my Kokase, we love.
Bema agro na friend na bekan ye na po. Your friend is and I was you mean you come. Your friend is
also be appointment to Mahama.
And me jana e dey. Me me dey mo ye dey.
When also be appointment.
Na dey mo ya na.
Obi an kan ho hwe.
Na wutimi nya ho, wutimi.
Okokan no so.
Amaka.
So be appointment to Mahama.
Na on the appointment.
Baby, no way.
That's
all from Ghana. Why did you?
Baby. Meet me quite existing, but you be enko baby for.
Okay.
Omo for masem nko.
They say adwuma na 2.
Me pa cho.
1 against 2.
Ada obi hwe. Obi bisa wo say. Obeje appointment on Anado. Me se mempe. Obeje appointment o Bawumia. Me se mempe. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama of our appointment sir. Obeje me se meji. Adekofo wanfa eyi. Ba kwesi ndu.
Yeah, public sector.
Public sector o san fa ye friend saying. The Malam Isa.
Malam is boss.
O san fa Hagan, Professor Hagan. O san fa Professor Akusa. Into what is wrong? Mumuti we. Mo NDC for nyina ye mo nanfofo. Eba na na ya janto ame ye mo tanfo. So what is your problem? Me si munja me alone. I mean that. The me person me ye no mo ma menye. It is none of your business. Leave me alone. Me see said Mahama, His Excellency Mahama ma medwuma. Me ye. Minim nipa odo nipa. Minim nipa odwene nipa ho. Me mfa me ho nkonko hye obi a ondo me, obi a onpemasem, obi a eye niso ayonkofa. Period. Nobody should come disturbing me. I can't tell them, leave me alone. Mo besi me so a anka mo hye me ma. Yes. Yes. When you pushed me aside, nobody looked back to see baby Amakoto. Usuma brewa. Baby obetodie. So otnasi. So ubunimu. Sending semu buye. And you are
Asempa FM.
Timunyame.
Asempa FM.
Asempa. Your friend is saying, Omanhene. Na honorable can say omo ye adwuma wo fom. A good strategy. But some na all can. Ushie nipa omutimi bisa se na yehu Dr. Bawumia koha yehu no wo kasa one nkrofo kasa yehu ba yehu NDC fo yehu CPP fo intini se constituency kura nes wo mo we be ma agoro na ye de no ese so omusu timi ye media because locality bia wo media house iti team no dru ho kra they can do interviews and so radio station bia TV station bia wo online. What did they mention? They can even, they can even use your friend is saying. They can even use some of these online maybe. No omuntimi fanya day. Omuntimi fa and project whatever they are doing to make the thing good. And I say CPP a press conference. Omu yes aba. Omu de omu nhihye ato. Mo so mo wo form ha. Eno so be to hye da nanse okwa ahyiama. Otimase ono so de ne dia akwa akoto ho. Ala nanse won so koye ne dia ono so ne nkrofo wo form a wo mo ye adwuma. Otiase. Aha, into almost so wo form almost so omo ye omo die. Into no me feel say there should be some visibility. No matter what you are doing
on the part of the
yes, there should be some form of visibility. What I say, me sure say we share form na wo ya dia. Eni say we ya den, wo di be see. sort of me. Aha, nti ene de me feel say de omo ye bia no. Wo mo nyema ye nyina ye hu. Na ebe ma agro na ye den.
Yes, I say omo no ye hu ba bi omo.
Aha, ye hu ba bi omo because sheda ye ne de obi ehu ye. Dr. Bawumia ye ne de obi ehu. Se mo so mo ye na mo hye ma mo so me ehu. Na me kan ye so no ye de so ye de atudwa. So that it brings ema obi ehu say.
Okay, so as Kolo remember so by them say we no ye just a passing through nti we invited him say immediately after.
Now part more komu okunsa then obi yaro.
One wo me kunsa.
No mo okunsa. Oh, him obi anya ohi. Party ye nya ohi. Party a wo mko odi mu gina secretary kan no.
Na bi be hwe ye o. Mechiro nyansa bi kwa mo ma hwe ye o.
Na bi. Na me see. What's MP party? Ye be ne yank hye. Na so ye de anya ne hwe. No no party mo no odi mu gina secretary kan.
Na bi hwe ye o. Na bi hwe ye o.
Na bi asamba kupe. Na bi tia say yen see.
Okay, when I make a program,
me ba HS.
Now, how did they buy
it? Or see, ye na ye na na bosa me pa to video. Me pesa u bo video we video. John Mahama all launch free senior and I'm saying
don't even do this.
Because we will have to speak with evidence. What's me a lawyer? Also a lawyer.
Senior.
The game is evidence.
Evidence very more.
Maybe
say progressively free. Now it's my twins and that's my twins
Nana Jane. Professor Jane. No, not you. Mahama and a launchy free senior high
progressive and
progressive. There are categories woman be free once we introduce, especially because why should you say me banko school free? It's not correct. Me and that's why even my former finance minister or councilor making
or kasa enim nanado na kasa ewo
yes awo Hopeson say program mona makwa yi munapo yen we have no problem with him because that day I was them you be na say men na muka ho asem no men ni dia then they afraid they aka area boys nko we pipi mu say men na muka men na ye come
atinte roach out to men read that if you go there boys you'll be sorry on the show more me see atinte roach out to men read treasure Mati
Baba Jamal na tiano
na po honi je
Baba Jamal ene tiano ndu gaza de ma bomodiam la aye la pacho fo
na mama eya ma beta kofi my coffee
baba substitute baba pacho fo me see
me pacho ma
koyi mu na po ena me ka se mu na mu se mu wo men
esa wara
men so that must say men am wonu ni a and the me see area boys now because you see who dan what san can say who see mo call no e unanimous but you name say opinion raise your objections and even before me committee no mo can say they will raise objection even at the national council kai into be jina na obed wa be nunu hu na say unanimous obi ani age obi anka we bia you can't disobey me today what I wanted to give you ni say na me pese me ma ho ni mu and na me makwago yi and the ma mo kwan no me den mo nka ne ho nsem a mo pe but who started the now started the Roman of do there. And really, hey, can you see it? You bet anyway. Competence you can never compare. You can never compare of the secondary school in this country. Is Napo? Now the worst person. The worst thing. Our students because you are very competitive on the global level to implement yes. And the foundation was so wrongly formulated. And next senior high school problem. There are challenges. And they say green. Now, but what are you talking about?
Mempesi ebedi sa nkomodo kwa chese meba lawyer ye wakofa comparison na so who disagree
be kana po asem na koi
speak to the facts bring figures.
One of the first thing you can say the best thing that has happened to HSS na puna say the worst thing that has happened is him.
Why?
Because the foundation today, education of Ghana, your school call, and you're basa in the history of this country like this time.
How are you saying this?
Hey, and there would you? Manta secondary school break. Yamakwan. But first now you Susan. Unim say June, July, August, September, break. That there was some sanity in there. Obiabe implemented. The president Nankasa was confused about the whole senior high school and so all this man. Omobabe say at the end now because he's the best thing. He's the worst who has happened to education in this country. Okay. Worst. And then me and Kwadan Ometnefie 2 months. No, 1 month. Obibaka 3 months. You get a confused educational system today like this. You are all formulating Wakuina in the area boy in Wakui.
Okay, so
area boy baby.
when we have these opportunities, Mr. Lawyer, Mumu the Moyan Shaso dear Cassia.
Yes.
Indiana Mempese our potential leaders, no. Ebe discuss on ebe define in a manner and so healthy for consumption out there.
Then advising.
Monsieur
on cannot point I was not going to respond.
Maybe say if you shall
I was not going to respond. I wanted to hear response your okay. Omanhene response. No.
Baba.
From you. You call Liberia. Yeah, okay, I beg you.
We got a student who has scholarship to go to the US.
And then they said, no, I said, okay. We are talking about over 60 countries.
No, but so enter into comparison. We will not allow him to compare with you. Never compare with you.
No, you can't.
Anybody and they say you implement FSHS. Challenges wom obi agitum na empono ama awofo obi ananka ne ba oni bie na anu abrante bi onya scholarship kwa bochi na ono oso agya e wa ade so obi ananka onya didaso no you have a lawyer how do you know no he is rubbishing the joy. Oh chief, I beg you,
rubbishing what?
I beg you, Mr. Me mpacho behave. What counts anyway? You see he is rubbishing.
No, I fed
Baba Baba.
And tell him to be first.
Isn't it?
When is
oh, the share of Bemuka.
No, tell him to be first. He's talking to his behave.
About 10 minutes.
Mama, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
You are my Topoku Pempe. He will forever be celebrated. School fees. Baba implemented. The results coming out clearly show say free SHS resource is the best. And then you sit here with no figures, with no facts. Or kasa out of another team. Now, he is here, sir. Wadaruma, Mesa Quine. Omanhene, Mesa Quine. Wadaruma.
And then I put there one.
We are talking about the achievement. Oh, we are not comfortable. We are making opposition with the amount. I appointment no opposition. I can't come into Job some do agenda. And social
so and now no so wunya and subscribe ya necessary over subscribe no like it na wa share video ama ofofro so ehia bi na wahwe uso betimi akere waden Afriyie ensem yira ho ewo comment box ni mo beti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.